Futuristic yet retro at the same time. Steampunk is truly one of a kind. Along with science and fiction, the steampunk art and crafts blends the aesthetic and technology since 19th century. Hi, I am Himali and I welcome you to this video to understand a bit more about steampunk, its history, its fashion, and the aesthetics. So the term steampunk was first coined by K.W. Jeter, the author of novels like Morlock Knight, Star Wars, etc. And he used this word to describe a special kind of fiction structure which was driven, it was like an advancement which was driven by steam and not electricity. So he had used all these small parts, small mechanical structures in his novel. And since then, it has been used to describe an artistic and cultural movement. Steampunk aesthetics is inspired by the fashions of the Victorian era in England, by Ballet in France, Civil War era in United States. The clothing from these eras is often modernized by adding these small mechanical elements and gears that are showing on out their clothes. So along with fashion and literature, the entire steampunk culture has paved the way for a new line in especially arts and aesthetics. Form of nostalgic futurism. The artist of steampunks imagines a future where all these things which were used in technology expanded way more than just the machines. It has found its way to the interior decor of home and spaces, and also some secret collections of people who, of course, needs to have a special taste. Although these metallic pieces are not that precious, but the people who know its value in form of art and culture sells them at a pocket-biting rates. And that is where hobby artists have found a creative way to use these wooden MDF pieces, which are way cheaper, and paint it with a metallic look like such lantern, to arrange it into a specific way to make beautiful pieces out of the upcycled ones, such as the bottle arts, stream catcher, then book covers, stands, and there are many more. Let us avoid to consider these kind of art as steampunk. Now, if you can see, these although look antique and has the same colors, there are no mechanical gears in it. So if such chains or zip or even more or less than such nails and blades are used, they are the actual steampunk inspired artworks and not just an antique. So I welcome you all on the upcoming many videos of steampunk decor and steampunk crafts by using mostly the hobby inspired materials. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.